and I did not use any rooting hormone for this. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Welcome back to another video. This I Like Your Blooms here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video by I Like Your Blooms. And today we're going to be propagating Silver Edge Thyme. Silver Edge Thyme. It's a good plant. Nice ground cover. Get your green thumbs ready. We're about to go. Let's get into it. Can you guys spot it out from here? Let me just do this. It's in this box. Here we go. Look at it. Oh, this is my mother right here. This is the mother baby. Silver Edged Thyme. This is where I'm going to be taking all my cuts off of, and it is a beautiful plant. I trimmed this a month ago. It grew about this size. I trimmed it down. You couldn't even tell I trimmed it, but I used all my trimmings for cuts, and literally all my cuts are going to be so crazy because all I'm going to do, I can like cut right there. I'm going to cut right there on this guy. I really like the way this looks. I'm not even doing it for edible purposes. I'm just growing it for a ground cover. But we are going to start it in my planter box with all of our vegetables, our herbs, and stuff that we eat. But eventually I'm going to put this throughout the yard.
Grow some plants.
So first things first, propagating plants. Make sure you take your pruners and some alcohol, hand sanitizer or something. Get a little wipe down. You want to be spreading diseases from plant to plant, so it's very important. What to do is I don't want to mess with this too much at all. So it's literally just like I'm pruning it, but instead of getting rid of it or eating it, I'm going to regrow it. Okay. You see? So we're right here. We just took that off. That's our cut. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to cut this off right at those nodes, and then I'm going to either pinch off or snip off these as well. And this is your space right here where your roots will be coming out of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that. Hang on, let me show you. Alright, we're going to cut right there. So now we have our node. That's our bottom. So as you can see, you got the little teeny tiny piece of the node left. Now if I cut it right there on the stem, it's not going to do anything. You could just stick it in there and it might grow. If you have some good rooting hormone, it'll probably root. But what I'm doing is no hormone. I'm just going to stick it in there like that. I'm going to use some tweezers. Now I'm going to cut a bunch of these, and then I'll show you the part where we're going to put them in the tray. Propagated these potentially a month ago. I believe the date was like June 12th, June 10th ish. It is now July 10th, July 11th. Today I want to check and see if we have any roots, because these guys sat the first 2 weeks in a dark shady spot outside and they did okay, and I eventually moved them inside where we have the air conditioning on, and we maintaining the house at about 70 degrees. They're not getting any direct sunlight. Right now I am using grow lights, so a very low powered grow light. When I'm going to pull out these little pucks, they're little cubes, I want to check them. I want to see what's going on. A nice plant. I really like the color of the leaves, how they got the dark in the center and then a lighter toward the outskirts. I really like it. It's going to creep really good. Let's break this guy open and see if we got any roots, because that's what I'm looking for right now. Got any roots? It's standing straight up. I see a little bit of rooties going on in here. All right, look at that. This little guy right here is a month old, cut. And I did not use any rooting hormone for this. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at you, little sweetheart. Now what we did use though for our rooting medium is a cocoa coir fiber. It's a soilless medium. If you've watched any of these videos on this channel before, propagating videos, this is what I use a lot. Let's break this guy open and see what we got going on inside. Just those. That's it. Just a couple little teeny little roots. So this is our silver edge thyme. Now what I'm going to do, this is our cocoa fiber. It's pretty dry but still a little moist. With this specific plant, because it is so thin, it's a very, very thin stem. You gotta do this quick because as soon as you cut these, they're gonna start drying up fast. It's a hot day right now. It's gonna, boom, pop it down in there. Give it a teeny tiny little tap on the head. We're going in. Easier because I'm used to be a little taller. Boom. Boom. Off. And they're gonna go in a little nice. I like to keep them low. He's good to go. I'm gonna give these a little water and I'll show you where I got them stashed, and then that's gonna be it for this video. Now I was not able to capture the footage of me placing them under my staircase, which is a little humid. You know, it's 70 degrees in the house with the air conditioner running in the summertime. Other than that, I missed them a little bit. I do not stress it enough though that these guys do not get any direct sunlight. It will kill them in their first few weeks if their roots have not developed. You should be able to start transplanting 2 to 4 weeks. I'd low dose some fertilizer, some nutrients for these plants, and maybe start to introduce them to the sun. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Thanks for watching I Like Your Blooms. Have a great day.